Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix File Explorer not opening and hanging problem in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your File Explorer. In the select here three dots. Click on Options. Here you select both options. Then click on Clear. After clearing, close this window. Open your command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. Then type here sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Then restart your PC or laptop. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.